The 06330i truck latch problems. It'll run and get so far that it won't work no more. And the problem is this little 12-volt motor, if you spin it a little bit, the windings are shot on it. So moved it, good part of the winding, hit the button, maybe a little more than. Starts running again, but only for about 5 trunk openings, and then it's going to stop. So what me and my buddy did is we pulled this. Be careful, there's 2 prong or tangs underneath that feeds power to this motor right underneath here and here. So you have to pry it gently from this backside completely out and then get you a replacement motor. Put it all back together. And just to let you know on how to remove this little cover, there's 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, one on this side, and then these 2 little tangs, one here and one right there. You remove those tangs and you kind of pry them out of these 2 little riveted areas, and that'll remove the cover after you unbolt it from here. There's 2 here and 1 underneath.